Well, it's camping. It's getting dark, so we've put the lights on. Here's my little oven. Little food making area. And I'm at the back of the factory, that's why. This is sort of because I work away from home. So I need somewhere to stay. And this is better than a tent. But look at this, the bloody, whoa, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, let's have another lightning strike. I've just started filming because I thought, well, this will be a good film. There it goes. Oh. And the wind's picking up, of course. Oh, we'll have to do it from the inside. Woo! Good grief, the caravan's wobbling. Whoa, let's shut this door. There. Let's shut that lot out. Whoa, what a rainstorm! Well, the caravan's rocking like hell. You know what, I'll be honest with you, I'll be glad when this is gone. I am really glad I'm not in the tent tonight. Crikey! Right, we'll just pan round to the okay, I'll just have to pull that down. Whoa there! God, it's absolutely pissing in. Absolutely pissing in. Yeah, you know, this is extreme weather. Hey, did we see that? Crikey! Let's get this. And now we got the thunder rolling in. You bastard, there we go. Well, I'll be damned. Well, well, well. Well, I suppose there's not much else one can say to this except, yeah. Sometimes a small black cloud can turn into a huge one. Alright then. Gonna try something now. I've no idea how this will turn out, but whatever. Yeah, so cozy night in the caravan with the light on. Talk to you later.